But I felt bad for you this morning when you upgraded it just before this news broke. I mean, what did you think? A lot of people thought that this company had finally gotten their hands around the supply chain. When you see this news, does it make you think, oh my gosh, here we go all over again?
It's interesting you mentioned what happened with the Norovirus outbreak in Northern Virginia. What's most likely to be a case is that it may have been a case where either an employee or maybe even another customer may have spread the virus within that restaurant. The good news is that management did catch this early. They closed the restaurant last night. They reopened the restaurant as of 2 o'clock this afternoon. So in our view, this is the typical protocol of what the company is doing in case of an outbreak like this. Norovirus, not all that uncommon among restaurants. What separates this from the E. coli outbreak late in 2015 rather, is that that was caused by problems in the supply chain. Norovirus, that typically is not the case.
Okay, so you're confident it doesn't necessarily spread. So
it does not change our view.
Queso, tell me why you would upgrade the stock based on the new Queso product.
Well, let me just say, as a backdrop, we had been negative for much of 2016 on Chipotle, based on the fact that it would have to cut margins and get very promotional. That hasn't been the case since the turn of this year. And if the company can continue to generate full margin sales, I think it will get past this crisis. What's interesting with the testing of Queso is this is a new product for Chipotle, and your previous guest talked about having new and improved products, and this is a new and improved way of getting Queso. Chipotle hasn't had it, but peers in the fast casual Mexican space like Qdoba and Moe's have had it for years. Chipotle's does not have any
Are the
artificial
margins
ingredients.
a lot better? I mean, was that the point in your note when you said it's a non-protein item, that the margins would be better for Queso?
We believe so.
And add to margins overall?
We believe so, and it not only is a non-protein item, but it's also an add-on item, much in the same way that guacamole is an add-on item. But as we've seen in recent quarters, guacamole has, rather avocados, have seen more volatile pricing, and dairy has not seen that volatile pricing. So at least it gives a little bit more earnings and margin visibility. And particularly, we think there could even be an increase in traffic just out of curiosity over that as it gets rolled out in
just
18.
driven by the cheese. Okay.
Yes, it's not a 17 catalyst, but 2018 catalyst.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.